All right, still on Facebook ads. Good day, everyone. My name is Chioma Okafor. If you've been following me, we've been talking about Facebook ads, all right, and why your business should sell on Facebook. All right, Facebook has over 20 million active Nigerians. All right, it's rare. It's rare for you to tell someone about Facebook and the person will ask, what is Facebook? It's possible we'll have such persons, yeah? It's possible, but it's rare. So the business should sell on Facebook, all right? And we've been discussing some about these different types of campaign objectives, all right? Luckily for us, Facebook has categorized some of them into one, all right? They're no longer listed like this. So just like rich ads, brand awareness, video views, they are now under awareness ad because they're almost same thing, all right? They're almost same thing. So they are now under awareness ad. Likewise, some of these ones here. So the ones you're seeing on Facebook I'll be explaining some of them. All right. So they're almost same thing, like almost same process. All right. So the next one we'll be going into now will be engagement, comprises of rich ads, brand awareness, and video views. All right. So the next one is engagement. Facebook a little, you see ad manager here. But if there is no ad manager on your own side like this, you open a tab and type facebook.com/ads manager. That ads should be ADS, then manager, ADS, then manager. Facebook.com/ads Sorry, slash ads manager. Sorry, facebook.com/ads like this, ADS, ads manager together. All right, so that is it. We'll be going to engagement now. Engagement. Be creating engagement, whichever one you decide to call it. All right, so it's loading. It's raining here, so I guess the network will also be disturbed. Will be disturbed. I guess. Still loading. So please be patient while it's low. All right. I'm still loading. I guess the network is so, but we know the process already. It's still same process. Once you come to your ad manager, what you do is you click on. Please be patient while it's load. All right, so the next one is going to be engagement, whatever. Engagement. So we click on it. All right, and now we said engagement gets more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event responses. All right, good for messages, video views, and post engagement. All right, so we've already discussed what that means. For those that likes, comment, people to react to their post, for people to react to their post, people to like their post. All right, so this is just what the ads, this campaign stands for. So continue. I'm so sorry, the network. So sorry about the poor network. This is Nigeria now. Okay, so now, like we said in the first ones, the only thing you do here is to change your ad, your campaign name. Sorry, you type your campaign name. All right, type your campaign name. Type your campaign name. Type your campaign name. Then social whatever. Run. Click from it. All right. So the next thing now is to go to either ad set or next. Do same thing. Ad set or next. Set on next. It's still loading. Please hold on. All right, add set or next. Sorry, I might be shouting. Oh, the rain is really much. So now choose where you want to drive engagement. Engagement. All right. Is it on your ads? Like, is it on your ad, this particular ad that you're trying to create? Is that where you want people to like, to react, to comment? Is that what you want? Now, is it on your messaging apps? Is it on your website? Is it on your app or your Facebook page? All right, any of these ones that you choose, all right? Any of these ones, you can choose any of these one. Then engagement type. Engagement type, what do you really want? Is it video views that you want? Like, do you want more people to view your videos or post engagement like comments, like, and all of that, or event responses? What do you really want? So whichever one you want, you just come here and tick or click and continue. All right. Like I said, Facebook has really made it easier. Even if you tick this one, before when you tick event responses, Facebook will want you to can actually be directed to, or maybe the event name and all of that, but it's no longer like that now. All right. So at least they still know what they're doing, and your ad must get to the targeted person. So I'm going to start with video views. Video views. Video views. So the next thing you will do is budget. Budget, all right, budget. So you're going to put the amount. Set cost may be higher. You're going to put the amount you want. Remember, we'll have daily budget. I will be fast with this one because I've been explaining almost the same thing. All right. Daily, remember, we'll have daily budget and lifetime budget. Lifetime budget is more or less like monthly budget. For 1 month, your ad will be running. All right, with a particular price, and the lesser price is almost 13,000 naira for a month. All right, so and you have your daily budget. You can set your start date and end date. All right, so that is just it. Then your audience as well. Your audience, that's people living. We've talked about this location. All right, for you to choose a specific thing you want. All right, the specific people you want, and also the people you want to. If, for example, you want to make a sale, or you have something to sell. All right. Now, people living in or recently in this location, which is good. Now, Nigeria, you're going to cancel this if you want to target a particular state, like we talked about. All right, you click on search. Click on search. Sorry, my network is really poor. Click on search. So Lagos. Even in Lagos, you can still get some other places in Lagos, Nigeria. All right, Lagos or Lagos State, Nigeria. Sorry, whichever one. All right, so then the next thing is the age. You can edit and put the age you want. Those ones you want them to, the people you want them to see your product, your ads, that specific age you want, you can put it here. Then the gender, you can put it here. If it's male or female, you can put it. If you want all gender, you leave it like this. Then another thing is for the all demographics, sorry, interest and behaviors. Now, there are some people who are interested in female bags, or who are interested in one thing or the other. This is where you get it. I will not be going into this because I have already explained it in my previous video. So you endeavor to watch that. You will understand all of this. All right. So like I said, I will not be wasting much time. I will not be wasting much time. We have talked about the automatic and manual. All right. Automatic and manual, where automatic and manual is still loading, where your ads will be getting to Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network, Facebook. And I said you must not actually have Instagram account before your ads will be sent to Instagram. All right. So it cannot as well be sent to Instagram without you even having an ads account. Then the next thing is click on next and ads. All right. So you can actually still, you can leave this like this. Then identity, Facebook page. Facebook page. All right, for this engagement, now they've made it compulsory to place ads on Instagram. Please select an Instagram account to represent your business. If you don't have an Instagram account, you can select your Facebook page. All right, if you don't have an Instagram account, you can select your Facebook page, which have already been selected here. All right, so but if you have an Instagram account, you can just bring it out and connect to it. All right, so that is just it. That's just it. Then let's see now a video. Let me see what's here. Okay, another thing now for this engagement ad is, it's possible you have an existing post. It's possible there is a post you already have in your page and you want to post it more, or you want to publish it more. All right, again, you want to publish it again. So you can use an existing post. If you don't have, you create an ad already. All right, then creating that ad, you can either use video or image, whichever one. A video is required. Add or create a video to publish. All right, add or create a video to publish. So this is where you add a video or you create a video here. If you click add video, it will take you to your gallery. All right, upload video, then you upload from your gallery. All right, so the next thing is the primary text. Primary text that I said, try to make your primary text catchy. Let it be attractive. Let it be something that will draw people. All right, this is where you really need to think more before you publish your ad. That primary text, and when people sees it, they will pause and read whatever you are posting. All right, so this is where you have to do that work, primary text. So please make sure you do a good research, or make sure you think very well before writing anything, before publishing your ads. All right, so that's just it for this. That's just it for this. Then the next thing, you publish. All right, you publish. So that's just it. There is really not much here. So with how far we've gone, I believe some of us can now carry out ads confidently. I believe you can now run your Facebook ads very well. You can now know what to do and what not to do. Like I said, if you still do not understand some things, I'm available. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. All right, you can always chat me up on WhatsApp, and I will respond to you. Thank you very much. God bless you.